crazy life. It's Lori and we are in my bedroom. I'm gonna hang a wicker wall, wicker basket type wall behind me over my bed. But first I'm gonna clean the wall. So what I've done is taken my Swiffer and I put a rag on it, just rinse it in warm water. I don't want any residue on the wall. It'll keep the command hooks from sticking. So I'm just going to do a quick cleanup on my wall, and then I will take you on a tour of my baskets I've been collecting. All right, I got the wall all dusted. I'm going to readjust you and bring you a little closer, and I will show you what I bought. All right, I think that's a better angle. So what I've been doing when I go to thrift stores, I've been collecting like baskety type things. And I'm going to show you like this. I like the flatter. Some people put the whole basket, but I just am enjoying this flatter style for my wall. And I went with all round to go with my round mirror. Now, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see, but I went through each of them. And I just put a little piece of gray thread right there to hang on the command hooks. These are pretty light, so I don't think I'll have a problem with these. So this was 90 cents. I got one of those. I got two of these, and these are trivets, and you can paint these. I'll show you in a minute, but I left those plain. I have a ton of these paper plate baskets. I paid about $1.25 a piece for these. And I think these were 50 cents a piece. And these were $1.25 a piece, and I have a bunch of those. And I'll show you what I've done. So like I painted this one, and by paint, I actually used from the Dollar Tree, the wood filler markers. For this one, and for a lot of these. For this one, same thing. I just kind of did a design. This is just some white chalk paint, and I did 2 of each because I wasn't sure how many I would need. So I have white chalk paint. This is just a gold paint pen, and you can barely see the design in there, but I wanted some subtlety. And again, I have 2 of those, and these all have the threads already attached as well. And then this one was pretty intense. This is some of the stain marker along with some chalk paint. 2 of those. This is just chalk paint in the, I think this is celery. Now, these are pretty heavy. I hope they will hold. These are actually wicker chargers, which I love. And these were the most expensive. They were $1.99. And I have a little on them too. But I love the texture in that. So there's 2 of those as well. And then the rest of the stuff in here is just more of the plates. And then my thread and scissors that I used. And then I'm going to be using the Dollar Tree command hooks. We'll see if they work. They says they hold 0.2 pounds. I'm worried about this. I may have to put up something a little stronger, but we'll try. I have some nails if not. And these came in a pack of 9. So I'm going to go to my wall. I'm going to have to stand on my bed and do this. And I'm going to hang up. I'll let you watch, and then we'll see what kind of footage I'm able to get of me putting these up. And then, of course, I will show you in the end. So this whole wall is going to cost me less than $20. The mirror, I don't know if I can zoom in. Nope. The mirror was actually my grandmother's, and I've had it for years, and I always hang it over my bed wherever I live. It means a lot to me, so it was important that I bought things to match that mirror, if that makes sense. So I think what we're going to do is start with these 2 larger ones just to see how it goes. right, there's the finished product for now. I'm on the hunt for some smaller baskets or things to hang in between, but I think that's a good start. And then on this wall, I'm gonna make some type of macrame maybe. I definitely wanna go boho vibe in my room. There's Alex, you can barely see him. Hi, buddy, say hi. And here's Mr. Wellington. Hi, baby, you say hi. Yes, if I'm in here, they're in here. So I think I love it. It just needs some smaller pieces that I'll keep on the hunt for and pick them up as I go. And I will tell you the Dollar Tree little command hook things worked fine. The 2 chargers, like I said, were a little big, but it doesn't seem to have an issue. So I hope you enjoy. Happy hunting. Bye.